Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see automatically insert required imports in Eclipse. So what is that? We'll see now. So for that, in the Mac, you need to use Command Shift O. If it is Windows, Control Shift O. Okay, this is the shortcut. Command Shift O and Control Shift O in Windows. Okay, so let's go to Eclipse. So here, what I did, list L equal new array list. I created an object for list. Okay. So here, now I want to import these packages. Right. So for that, normally you will hover on this. Otherwise, you click on this balloon here. Right. So when you hover on this, it will give you the suggestions that import a list from java.util, and in the other package also you have list, that is java.awt. So you have list in both the packages. So which one you want to take? So I want to take import from java.util. I'll click this. So it imported that. And the same way I want to do this for array list again. So you have array list only under the java.util. Okay, now it's done. So assume you have like this n number of what you say packages you need to import. So for each and everything you need to go to hover and do all those things. Sometimes you will copy paste some code from other file to here, other solution to this one. So that time you need to import so many packages. So for that I'll remove this. I want to do everything in single shot. Okay, I want to do this in the single shot. For that you have that shortcut is Command Shift O. You see that when you click Command Shift O, it got confused that actually we are looking into automatically import. So it will automatically import, but here the problem is you have list in the two packages, which one you want to take. So I'll take this java.util list and I'll say finish. You see that it imported two packages, and I did not import the package for array list. It automatically came. The reason is here it has only under the java.util, but list is under java.util and java.awt. So if you have this thing in multiple packages, then it will ask. Otherwise, it will directly imports. Okay. So that is the reason I have taken this example. So if you have multiple, how it will be? If you do not have, it will directly imports. With the Control Shift O, it imported two packages. Two imports happen here. Okay. So this is how you can automatically import. Means with the simple shortcut Command Shift O or Control Shift O. Then it will import all the packages here. Okay. But this is how you can automatically import packages or imports. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.